guys, we're on our way to the concert venue sa Chater Garden. Siyempre, super excited na kami na makita yung maraming, sana marami talagang pumunta mamaya since it's a free concert. So, yun. Good luck sa amin! Sila Jimmy and John, sila Mark.
Hey, masyado malapit.
This is it.
This is it. Good luck to us.